Hey, what's going on guys? Slot here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the KBD tag. So this is one of the other face tag which it is do is keyboard input. It's look like it's the keyboard input where you you look what we call in the text editor, right? So this is the way you can use it. Just take any phrase like this one which I use in the INS tag. So just do the, and instead of here just use the KBD tag, more like KBG, right? And when you do that, I'm gonna say my favorite color is red. So this is the work he do. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.